How eye base affects your eyeshadow. Hello everyone. Well, hello. Today I am full of energy. I wake up, I exercise, I play music, I dance, and now I am here to create a look. How eye base affects your eyeshadow look. If you want to see what I'm talking about, keep watching. Eyeshadow base affects your eyeshadow look. On my right, which will be your left, I have the Juvia's Place Shade 1 eyeshadow base. It's lighter. And on my left, which will be your right, there I am going to put the Plain in Makeup by Yolanda, my skin shade, on here. So I'm going to use two different eye base, but the same color eyeshadow, so you can see how eye base does affect how your eyeshadow look. Keep watching. We're about to start. Today it's music and I am having a ball over here. I love dancing. I dance all day long, and today the dance is not leaving me, so it will be in my video today. So if you want to watch it, fine. If not, skip it. Eye base affects your eyeshadow. Let's start. I have Juvia's Place Culture. In all my Juvia's Place palette ranking, it came number 3. So this is what the palette looks like. Beautiful. I'm going to use this complete row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eyeshadow, same eyeshadow application on each eye, but they just have different base. Okay, I'm going to start with this brush on my right side, which will be your left. I'm going in with this color right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I know the brush is big, but I don't have too many small brushes, but I do make these work. That's this color on the white base. Same color on the dark base. White base, dark base. The other color I'm going to go into is the pink right here. Pink. I'm starting on the dark base. I'm going into this turquoise right here. I have a very small brush. I'm going to go into the inner corner. So far, all the three colors are matte. The last matte in that row is this mustard color right here. Now I have the 4 mattes on my eyes and I'm sweating. AC on, everything on. Menopause is having its day. See, it's coming down in my makeup, so I gotta kind of dab it a little and I'll reapply the color there. The pink is wet. What I have on my face today is my MAC Old Formula Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NW45. Now I'm gonna go into this purple shimmer right here. And I'm gonna put it right here. Too much, but that's okay. And this is on the white base. Now on the dark base. Remember, one eye is bigger than the other, so I always have to play with it to make everything work. So it might look like one has too much, one don't have enough, but I play with it and manipulate it to get it to look at least close. Now the last shimmer in that row is this one right here. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I use all 6 to create the look. This is like a lime green. It's very, very pretty. And I'm going to put it right there. Today's motivational word, encouraging word is, I attract partners who appreciate me. I attract partners that appreciates me. This is the look for today. I use 6 colors from the Juvia's Place Culture. The music is hot. I love to listen to this artist. It's an African artist. He passed away years ago, but I went to 5 of his concerts in the US when he was singing all over the place. Well, 4 in the US, 1 in St. Thomas. Hopefully I make you dance today. Take your music and play it and dance even though you're home alone. But today's look, white eyeshadow on my right, which is your left. Skin tone eyeshadow on my left, which will be your right. This is how eyeshadow base change how your eyeshadow makeup look looks. You see the difference? This one is darker. This one is lighter. Even when I go further, you can tell the difference. Right? So on my face, I have my old MAC formula. And I put my Pat McGrath highlighter. Love the music. Oh my God. This one size, I use this shade right here on my cheeks. For my blush, I use this Juvia's Splish blush set. I use this shade right there. My favorite shade in the palette. This one. I love it. It always makes me a little gothy with all the bright colors, so everything just came together. Thanks again for watching. Remember to have a little bit of fun and joy in your life. And until I see you and you see me, just dance. And that's what I'm doing today. All day today I'm going to do that. So this is what I'm doing today. So do that today and have fun. Bye. See you soon.